Are you ready to transform your home into a holiday masterpiece? A Christmas tree isn't just a decoration. It's the heart of your festive space, the glowing centerpiece of cherished memories. Today, we're diving into timeless and elegant Christmas tree decor ideas that will elevate your holiday season. Why your tree deserves special attention. Your tree sets the tone for the entire holiday experience. But let's be honest, have you ever decorated a tree and felt like something was missing? Like it wasn't quite the showstopper you envisioned? Maybe it's the time you overloaded it with tinsel and it looked like a glitter explosion. We've all been there. Not this year. Let's make your tree shine like the centerpiece it deserves to be. Foolproof, stunning Christmas tree decor ideas that will turn your space into a festive wonderland. 1. Start with a theme. Every great tree starts with a theme. Whether it's a classic red and gold look, a winter wonderland of whites and silvers, or even a modern minimalistic vibe, your theme sets the stage for everything else. Once you've chosen a theme, the magic really begins. Next up, what goes on first? 2. Layer your lights. Lighting can make or break your tree. Start from the base and wrap lights around each branch, working your way to the top. For a dynamic look, combine warm white lights with a subtle pop of color like icy blue or festive red. And let's not do the just throw the lights on and hope for the best method. Your tree deserves better. 3. Invest in high-quality ornaments. Choose ornaments that stand out. Glass baubles, metal accents, or handmade pieces add a touch of luxury. Mix sizes, small ones for filling in gaps, and large statement ornaments to create focal points. But ornaments are just the beginning. How do you tie it all together? 4. Add ribbon for elegance. Ribbon is the secret to a designer tree. Choose wide, wired ribbon in satin or velvet. Drape it diagonally or create cascading loops for a sophisticated look. 5. Don't forget the tree topper. The tree topper is your grand finale. Whether it's a classic star, an angel, or even a modern minimalist piece, make sure it reflects your theme. 6. Create depth with picks and sprays. For a lush, full look, add decorative picks or sprays. Think glittery branches, faux berries, or icy twigs. These fill in gaps and add texture. 7. Incorporate personal touches. Make your tree uniquely yours by adding personal touches. Family ornaments, handmade pieces, or photos create a tree filled with memories. 8. Balance is key. Distribute ornaments, lights, and decorations evenly around the tree. Step back often to assess and adjust. It's all about balance. 9. Decorate the base. Don't forget the base. Cover the tree stand with a stylish skirt, a basket, or even faux snow to complete the look. 10. Surround your tree with joy. The area around your tree matters too. Add wrapped gifts, lanterns, or even a cozy chair to create an inviting holiday vignette. And there you have it. The ultimate guide to creating a stunning, sophisticated Christmas tree that feels straight out of a magazine. Now, the only challenge is keeping the cat from climbing it. Remember, your tree isn't just about decor. It's about the memories you'll create around it. Let's make this holiday season unforgettable. Ready to transform your space for the holidays? Book an interior design consultation to bring your vision to life. Reach out through WhatsApp. Check the number in the description below. Let's create a home that sparkles with style and warmth this Christmas.